How we doing, everyone? Welcome to the video. We're in my two-car detached garage today. I don't have power ran out here, so I'm going to set up some temporary lighting for the garage. Let's go. So I have two of these lights, and I'm going to run Romex, connect both lights together, and then I'm going to run an extension cord from the house out and put an extension cord end on the Romex so that I can just have the light on when I need it, and pick up the cord when I don't, until I get power run out here. You guys probably know, for the ones that don't have a attached garage or a detached garage with no power, running power out is very expensive. There you go, you got an extension cord. I come over here and I ran an extension cord from the house into a splitter. That way I can have an extension cord and run off that. And then I have a makeshift switch set up, which is actually a Christmas light timer. And that just runs over to the lights. It's not much, but until I get power ran out here, it's definitely gonna let me actually do some work out here, oil changes and whatnot. So I'll wait until it gets dark and I'll actually show you what it looks like when it's really black outside. If you're looking into these lights, these are actually Hang-A-Light brand. They are 100 watts and 12,000 lumens a piece. So there's 24,000 lumens in this garage right now. I'll put a link in the description to these exact lights if you like them. They are kind of pricey. They're on Amazon. Check it out below. I'll also put in alternate lights that are quite a bit cheaper that you guys can do this with. It's not a permanent solution, but until I get power ran out here, or until you get power ran out here to your garage, this is definitely a very doable solution that provides plenty of light. As you can see, there is no issue with clarity or vision at all, and all it takes is an extension cord, and that's about it. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, check out my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.